In a serene village lived a milk seller known for his greed in pursuit of profit. One day, a mishap occurred as Mr. Brown diluted the milk, trying to hide his mistake with water. The villagers sensed deceit in the diluted milk, confronting the deceptive milkman with furrowed brows. The villagers demanded accountability, their voices echoing in the air, seeking truth and honesty. Faced with his wrongdoings, Mr. Brown resolved to change, embarking on a journey towards purity. As Mr. Brown toiled, a shadowy rival lurked, plotting to sabotage his newfound integrity. Battles ensued as Mr. Brown valiantly fought to protect his dream, facing trials of deception. Through perseverance and dedication, Mr. Brown redeemed himself, restoring faith and providing untainted milk to the community. In the end, forgiveness prevailed, binding hearts in unity, as honesty and integrity shone brightly in their village.